Tui Glen School is a cool place to be. We have fantastic children, we have a great team, wonderful parents, and to have a couple court come in and support us with part of the project for our library space, it's really exciting.
I was really excited when I heard that we were getting new carpet for the library, and I talked to one of the teachers, Mr. Smith, and it was like, wow, let's really put some energy into this library. We're going to put a plan together, we're going to survey the children in the school and see what they want. You know, we want a place where kids want to come and enjoy reading.
Money's always tight for schools, so any support we can gain is always really appreciated. And for this space, for our library space, it's well overdue to be brought back to life. RhinoKids Flooring Fund is a fantastic idea. I know there will be plenty of schools putting their hand up to receive this support, and we're really appreciative that we are first on board.